there's a 60% chance that you are already finding enough online arbitrage lead to sustain an online arbitrage business at the higher scale that you are currently running at. I'm going to ask you a question. This is a question that I asked already in a previous video, but when is the last time that you actually overbought a lead, that you bought too much stock, that you had stock that was sitting for too long? I'm pretty sure, and this is the problem that I see with a lot of people that I talk to that are beginners. I'm pretty sure that, and I'm actually 100% sure that if you run at a certain scale, you're just not buying enough inventory for the leads that you find. You keep trying to find new leads over and over again while you already have enough leads to do that. You just need to purchase more of the leads that you have. I'm going to explain all of this in more details in a few seconds. But before we do, let me introduce myself. If you do not know me, my name is Mangunza. I release daily videos about selling on Amazon right there on YouTube every single day, so you can learn everything that you need to learn to scale your Amazon business for free. All right, so just give me a thanks because I've been helping your business and I know you're not following, so just subscribe, like this video so you get recommended more videos. All right, we both need to help each other. You can help me if you do that. All right, so as I said, you're probably not buying too much, because think about it. When's the last time that you actually bought too much of an asset and you went too deep? You probably never did it. And I know a lot of you guys have never done it because all you do is buying 10 units over and over again. So let's just look at it this way. Let's get back to the whiteboard. This beautiful whiteboard on which I'm going to do another, and let me just make this a little bit. Here we go. Another piece of art. All right. So let's say that you find this lead, right? You find one lead like this every single day that you can buy for $10. All right. If you buy 10 of these, you're going to spend, and if you buy 10 of these every single day, you find a new lead like this every single day, you buy 10 of these, you're going to spend $100 a day, right? The truth is that you're not maxing out how many of these leads you can actually buy to make sure that you have enough inventory, because like it doesn't make sense. Like there's no reason why you would buy 10 units of a specific ASIN, of a specific product, and just forget about it. It's really a dumb way to run your business. You need to buy more of this, okay? So you can turn those $100 in spend, because yes, we run inventory businesses, all right? So one of the most important KPIs is how much are you spending in new inventory, because this is going to directly translate into how much sales you're gonna get. Okay, it's 100% going to translate into that. All right, everything else being equal, you just need to spend more money. You want to sell more, you need to spend more money into inventory. That's it. That's literally it. There's nothing else to this business. You just need to spend more. So if you just buy 10 units of this over and over again and you spend $100 a day, what you're going to do, and the dumb way to do it, is to try to find other leads like this, okay? And this is probably what you're doing right now. You're constantly looking at finding new leads, and you're spending hours and hours and hours finding new leads. So you can turn this, let me just do this. So you can turn this $100 spent in $300 spent by finding 2 more leads. And so you're spending 3 hours to find this lead, 3 hours to find this lead, and this is how your whole day was spent sourcing for your online arbitrage business, which does not make sense. Because literally, and I guarantee that, literally you can probably buy 50 units of this item right there, okay? And so you can 50 extend, okay? And you can turn a $100 spent into a $500 spent, all right? If you just do this. And so for a lot of you guys, you're not even at the point where you can spend $500 a day in inventory, right? And so you just require one lead to spend that amount of money. You do not necessarily, because the way you were doing it, you were finding trees and you were spending $300, which is really dumb. And so if you do the same thing and you spend $500, so maybe you're going to be able to buy 100 units of this, because you're going to be able to sell 100 units in 1 month, and you're going to be able to buy I don't know, like let's say 60 units of this. So it's 600 plus 1,000 plus 500, so you're already at 2,100, okay? Just for one day. And this is how you're going to scale your business. This is literally how you scale your online arbitrage business. It's not about finding more leads. Yes, you need to have more leads. You always need to have more leads. You have to have a constant stream of new leads. But right now, you are finding too many leads for what you are able to spend. Like, you could spend way more money. The way you run your business is dumb and is not scalable, okay? Yes, going wide is good, but You need to somehow max out. You need to have an idea. And this is one of the skills that you are going to need to develop, because you guys, this is a skill that you are not trying to develop. You need to try to develop the skill of actually forecasting how many units you're going to be able to sell in a month. That's it. That's literally it. That's 90% of the business is this. That's 90% of the business. Okay, maybe I'm doing too much by saying 90%, but that's half of the business is just forecasting how many units of a specific item you're going to be able to sell. That's it. And then the other half is actually figuring out how to get the money to spend that inventory and how to grow your money, how to leverage other people's money to be able to do this more effectively. That's it. That's the whole business. If you keep buying 10, 20 units of an item, and I know that a lot of you guys are not even trying to buy 20 units, you just need to go deeper. That's it. You're not going to find, like, if you are able to spend $100 per lead, and if you want to become a 7-figure seller, you need to spend, like, my math is not going to be correct. I'm taking slow right now. I'm a little bit sick, but like, you're going to need to spend like $3,000 a day, right? 3,000 something. Do you think that you're going to need to buy 30 leads, that you're going to need to find 30 leads a day to be able to do this? No, that's not how it works. You just need to go deeper in a lot of those leads. Instead of spending $100 per lead, just spend $500 per lead and you can buy 6 leads. That's it. And same thing, I think I made a video on sourcing shoes and all that stuff. So with sourcing shoes, same thing. Like, you have a shoe, like a lot of you guys, what you guys do is you find a shoe, you get the best variation, and you sell this. No, this is not the way to do it. You get all the variations that are profitable and that sell decently fast. And so because shoes are more expensive, so a $200 spend easily on just one ASIN with multiple variation, you can transform a $100 spend into a $5,000 spend. It's that easy. That's how you scale the business. Stop thinking that you need to find crazy sourcing method to find more leads, that you need to do all this shit. No. It's as simple as actually going deeper into the leads that you have. And you just need to decide, how much inventory do I need to have for, like, what do you want your turnover to be? Like, you want to have 30 days of inventory, 60 days of inventory, 45 days of inventory. Of course, it can change on an ASIN per ASIN basis. Right? But at its core, you need to stop buying 10 units. This is what's holding you back, and it's holding you back big time. I'm telling you, this is holding you back big time. You need to go deeper. And when I say you need to go deeper, it does not mean that you need to go 2 months deep in inventory. It's not what I mean. But at least, like, just stop the test buy. Stop the test buy. At one point, you need to actually build the confidence on the lead that you buy. And of course, if you're a beginner, you are trying to figure stuff out, yeah, of course, go ahead and test buy. But you just need to remember that at one point, test buys are over, because you cannot scale a business by doing test buy. You cannot do test buy. It's not going to work. Okay, test buys are not going to work, because by the time you have tested this ASIN, the ASIN is not available anymore. The people got the whole stock. You need to get the whole stock yourself, because if you do not trust, and once again, if you do not trust your capacity at actually analyzing keeper graphs and at forecasting demand and supply on Amazon, and whenever you buy a lead it tanks, of course you need to do test buy, because the test buys are not for you to actually see if a lead is good before buying it again. It's not what a test buy is. A test buy is really to test, and the way I see it, a test buy should be to test your ability to forecast, to see if you made a good decision. Once you're confident, once you've tried 5 leads, 10 leads, you've been doing it for 2-3 months, that's it. It's over. Let's forget about the test buy. Go deeper. That's all you have to do. You just need to go deeper. This is how you're going to scale your business. Buy 1 month of inventory. That's it. And then spend your money like this. That's the whole business. Okay? Stop the test buy. Stop doing test buy. It's worthless. Alright, so hopefully this video was helpful. You learned one thing or two. If you did like this video, subscribe. Do all that YouTube stuff. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Thank you for watching.